In this lecture, we'll talk about how joining conversations can boost your authority and can get you followers. As a Clubhouse beginner, any room you join, you will join as a listener. But from here, you have the opportunity to join the stage. You can raise hand by clicking the hand icon, and you can ask questions. You will enter a queue and the moderator has to approve your question. This can help you overcome your stage fright. If you're really interested in a topic, you can ask questions, and if it's a really good one, other people might click on your profile. This is a way to get a view how the app works, but also get that first exposure and get followers. This is why you should have your profile and bio ready when you start and when you join Clubhouse. You don't want to miss a chance to connect with others. When you click on this hand icon, you will share the stage with all of these speakers. Every room will have this hand raising feature, and this is a great opportunity for you to join the stage and share the stage with others. Usually when the room is about to end, the moderator will forbid hand raising just because the room had already had too many questions and the room has to end. So don't wait for too long, raise your hand and get in line.